Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have a brand new video ready. The Holo360 is Acer's connected 360-degree camera that lets you share the images and videos you capture to social media in real time no matter where you are. To achieve this, Acer has fitted the Holo360 camera with a smartphone-grade Snapdragon 625 SoC, thereby giving you access to 4G LTE. This means you'll be able to make and receive calls directly through the camera just like you would on a smartphone, only you'll have to use a Bluetooth headset since there's no earpiece here. The palm-sized camera is easy to grip with one hand and features a 16-megapixel, 187-degree wide-angle sensor on each side. There are chunky physical buttons all around the camera, making it easy to use even if you have gloves on. We were given a demo of the live 360-degree streaming on YouTube, which worked pretty well. We did notice, however, that the camera does get warm rather quickly even after a short streaming session. The Holo360 runs on Android 7 Nougat and has full access to all the apps on the Google Play Store. There's 16 GB of inbuilt storage, which is expandable via micro SD card, and a 2000 mAh battery inside. The camera interface lets you shoot 360-degree photos and video up to 4K resolution, in addition to standard shooting modes like panorama and normal portrait shots. You get a 3-inch touchscreen display for interacting with the camera. As part of the bundle, you get an IP68 protective case for using the camera in the water, a leather protective case, and a wrist lanyard. The Acer Holo360 is currently available in the US for $430 or roughly 27,350 rupees, but Acer tells Gadgets360 that it hopes to launch it in India soon. So thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.